Top 15 Most Expensive Fighter Jets in 2023. Of all aircraft and maybe even weapon platforms, fighter planes are the most sophisticated, potent, and technologically sophisticated. As a result, they are also very costly. The pricing list in this video solely covers the aircraft's purchase price. It does not take into consideration costs for research, maintenance, or any related expenses. A jet's ticket price is negotiable, thus it might change as well. 15. Tejas, price, $29 - 42 million. The Aeronautical Development Agency of India created the Tejas light multirole fighter jet to replace the aging MiG-21 fighters. It is one of the lightest supersonic fighters in its class and comes in 3 variants, the most expensive of which is the $42 million Mk-1A, which has advanced capabilities. 14. Sukhoi Su-57, cost between $40 and $45 million. The Russian government's first attempt at developing a stealth fighter, the Su-57, was created to rival American models such as the F-22 Raptor and F-35 Lightning II. Although the precise cost of the unit is unknown, estimates place it between $40 and $45 million. In order to maintain parity with Western counterparts, Russia has placed a strong emphasis on a progressive production method. 13. F-16 Block 70 seconds, $63 million in price. A sophisticated fourth-generation fighter is represented by Lockheed Martin's F-16 Block 70 seconds. The Block 70 seconds, which has better avionics and features, costs $63 million per unit, while more economical versions start at $30 million. The cost of the Kai KF-21 Boromei is $65 million. The KF-21 Boromei's introduction significantly strengthened South Korea's defenses. With stealth qualities above those of comparable fourth-generation jets, each one costs about $65 million. By 2028, the Korean military intends to have 40 of these aircraft. 11. Super Hornet F/A-18E F, cost, $67 - 70 million. The F/A-18E and F/A-18F Super Hornets are supersonic twin-engine fighters with cutting-edge armament, developed by the Boeing company. The range of the expected cost per unit is $66.9 million to $70.5 million. Australia and Kuwait are among the main users, in addition to the U.S. Air Force. 10. Shenyang FC-31, $70 million, in price. The Shenyang FC-31, China's prototype multirole fighter, is built to be as capable as fifth-generation fighter aircraft from the West. It is multifunctional and can be used for air security, ground attack, and reconnaissance. It is valued at $70 million. There are rumors that it could be used as a naval fighter jet stationed on an aircraft carrier. 9. The cost of the Saab JAS-39E F Gripen is $85 million. The JAS-39 Gripen, which was once recognized for being reasonably priced, has changed since the E and F models were released. These single-engine, supersonic fighter jets, made by Saab AB, are equipped with cutting-edge weaponry, avionics, and radars. Compared to other cutting-edge fighters, they are more costly but still competitive, with an average cost per unit of about $85 million. 8. Sukhoi Su-57, $85 million in price. As a notable example of a Russian multirole fighter that has evolved significantly from the Su-27, the Sukhoi Su-57 stands out. It features upgrades to avionics, maneuverability, radar systems, and weapon capability, and costs $85 million per unit. The Russian Air Force has successfully exported its 110 units. In 2019, China bought 24 of them for a total of $2.5 billion. 7. Thai TF-Con, $100 million. With the intention of displacing the F-16 Fighting Falcon in the Turkish fleet, Turkish Aerospace Industries, TAI, is creating the stealthy, twin-engine Thai TF-Con air dominance fighter. The prototype is currently undergoing testing on real equipment, and each unit is likely to cost more than $100 million. 6. Chengdu J-20, cost between $110 and $120 million. The cost of China's stealth fighter, the Chengdu J-20, which is intended to provide air superiority, is reported to be between $110 million and $120 million per unit, making it one of the most costly in the world. Presented in 2017, the J-20A, J-20B, and J-20S models highlight China's technological progress in stealth aircraft. 5. Dassault Rafale, between $115 and $124 million in price. The Dassault Rafale, a French twin-engine multirole fighter aircraft, is one of the priciest fighter jets in the world. The Rafale, which ranges in price from $115 to $124 million, is capable of air superiority, in-depth attack, anti-ship strike, ground support, and nuclear deterrence missions. It is outfitted with a broad variety of weaponry. According to Shepherd Media, the cost per unit is roughly $115 million, but Aerotime estimates 4. F-15X Eagle II, $117 million in price. One of the priciest fighter jets in the world is the Boeing F-15EX Eagle II, which is a version of the McDonnell Douglas F-15E Strike Eagle. At a cost of $117 million, it has an operating cost that is one-third that of the F-35, but is still comparatively affordable at $29,000 per hour. In spite of its price, the F-15X is a more affordable option when compared to its sophisticated equivalents. 3. Cost of the Eurofighter Typhoon, $117 minus $124 million. The extremely advanced fighter jet, developed by Airbus, BAE Systems, and Leonardo for air superiority, had its debut in August 2023. The European Union member states who are involved in its development can purchase it for as little as $50 million, while other nations must pay a higher export price. 2. F-22 Raptor, $143 million in price. The F-22 Raptor, created by Lockheed Martin Corporation, is one of the priciest and most sophisticated fighter jets in the world. This stealth aircraft, which costs $143 million per unit, is a marvel of twin-engine, single-seat aircraft with excellent features that place it among the best of the fifth generation of fighters. 1. F-35 Lightning II, price, $150 minus $200 million. The F-35 Lightning II, produced by Lockheed Martin Corporation, is renowned as one of the most advanced fighters in history. Serving as a centerpiece of global security, it offers stealth capabilities, intelligence, reconnaissance, and successful strike missions. The F-35 comes in three variants, F-35A, F-35B, and F-35C, with prices ranging between $150 minus $200 million. Aerotime estimates the unit cost at $177 million, while Fortune provides a price range based on different specifications of the order.